All right, good morning. Greetings and salutations to everybody out there in YouTube land. I'm your host once again, Dan Thornton, and welcome back to Winners and Losers, Stocks in the Housing Market. Hopefully you all had a great and phenomenal 4th of July week and vacation. I've been talking this morning since my other show got off the air to traders across the planet, trying to get a little information for you guys. Hey, get it over to you guys and see what you guys can make of it. Maybe make a little bit of money today. So here are some of the expectations. I'll be reading them since I didn't have a ton of time to prepare the notes. Coin is going to be in action today. You got a lot of traders, especially out of the European Union. You're going to be looking at coin between the 220 to 221. They're going to be looking for long positions on that. Again, I do need to preface this and saying we are not stock analysts. We are not stock advisors. We are not financial advisors. We're just reporters giving you some of the news and the headlines affecting stocks today. So yeah, with crypto kind of brewing, as you guys probably know from last week, significant move down in the crypto markets last week. So you do have some traders coming out looking for positions, trying to find some areas of support. So pay attention to coin. Apple, a lot of traders, especially in the the New York markets, are looking at Apple for a 228 long break. So trying to get it up to the 230, that's where they're really looking for some support on Apple. As you guys have probably been paying attention to in recent weeks, Apple has been making a significant move with markets moving up and down, left and right, especially last week with some less volume trades with everybody on the holidays. You do have Apple in the apple of the eye for many traders out there. So looking long, and especially if it gets any kind of pullback to the 224 level. That's where we had a few different brokerage houses speaking to us specifically. The 224 is a long they are paying attention to. Intel, hey, the AI boom is here. It's been going for a few months now. Intel, it's been kind of a lagger. It's not been up there with NVIDIA, SMCI, among other names that have blown out and really just jumped off the charts in the last few weeks. So Intel, a lot of people are talking to me, especially in the Chicago markets. They're looking at the roughly 32.5 level, so 32.50 for a long bounce. They want to see a bit of a gap fill on their charts up to about the 34 level, so pay attention to Intel around that area. Tesla, hey, we all know 2 weeks ago this was a $192 stock. It has skyrocketed up to the 250 level. That's where you've seen some real kind of trepidation with traders. You saw Friday a significant move down. Once it got to about the 252 area, it sold off and sold off hard. Came down to roughly the 242 level. Excuse me. Then it bounced up significantly, and we got traders talking to us. And this is nationwide. This isn't just in one or two specific spots. I should say worldwide. The 250 level, they want to see an area of support. If any kind of dips down below that to the 248 level, traders are saying they want to see if some of the bigger brokerage houses are going to step in, try to buy this thing up, get it over the 250, let it base, and then they are reporting they want to look for 256, 55 long, maybe even a push to the 260. So again, I do have to say, we are not financial advisors. We are not there for anything other than just reporting the word on the street that we get from different brokerage houses as far as what they're saying. PLTR, another laggard in the AI industry, computer industry. You got a lot of people have been watching this, scalping this for long and short positions, but it does seem like a lot of the longs are now stepping in, aiming a 2750, 2875 breakout area. You get significant volume on this. This one can push up to 30 real quick. As far as the ES, we've got some traders. I'm watching the screens right now. A couple of them are specifically getting in chatters right here. They're looking for 56, 36, 50, looking good on ES. So they want to push it up to 56.50. That would be a nice move in a Monday where you will have a lot of traders returning to the floor after the holiday weekend. So pay attention to those levels. ES futures trading, you may want to do a little deep dive if you're newer to that. Trying to look for anything else for you hitting the wire or any of this stuff out there. That seems to be a bit of it for today. If we do have time around noon today, we'll try to do a halftime show in for you guys. But pay attention to those numbers. Again, we are not financial advisors. We're not analysts. We're just a guy on YouTube, and some of the people that we talk to, we try to pass on some of the word on the street. Make of it as you will. you may want to talk to a financial advisor before making any trades or financial decisions. So consult your consultant, talk to them. If you haven't yet subscribed to Winners and Losers, pretty please consider doing so. Maybe even hit that thumbs up button. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your day, and good luck to you on the trading day. Take care. We'll see you soon.